Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this channel. Today we are going to learn about how to draw a gear, single gear over a Solidworks. So let us select a new file, go to and select parts and click OK. It will take some time to open. Here I like to work with a plain white where I will be able to see and for this we for drawing gear, firstly we will select and bring it to the normal to the screen. Now here we have to go to sketch and select a sketch where the origin uh, will be able to see it. Now let us go to the circle. Let us go to the circle where select circle and draw from the origin of any dimension. Select a smart dimension to give a dimension. Here it's a diameter, I will give it 80 mm randomly. Okay okay now let us go to again to the circle, and for the center here it may come, may sometime it will make to find out center of this circle. Go to the circumference, and again there will be the center of the circle, and draw a circle over here. Now let us give a dimension to this, and its diameter will give it 20 mm. Alright, so now we'll select line. Here we'll select and we'll go to select a line with a center line. It is also known as a construction line, where we'll be able to draw a specific things, and after completion of our thing, so we'll going to delete it. Here we have to, so that it will pass from the center. Here select. Now select a select a line. Okay, not this time, don't select the center line, and from a point from the smaller circle, let us zoom from the scroll button and draw a horizontal line, then a tapered vertical line, sorry, not tapered, vertical line, and select. Here we'll give a dimension. Here we'll give a dimension. It is 3.02, but we'll provide it only 2. Let us give to 2. Okay, now let us again we'll give a dimension to the vertical line. Here we'll give I think let us give to I mean 2.5 mm. Okay, now here let's use here one of the important command in SolidWorks, mirror entities. Okay, select it, mirror entities. Okay, here we'll select entries to the mirror. What you have to make mirror, we'll select this line. Okay, sorry, this line and this line, and again go to the mirror about from which plane you are going to mirror it. I will get it mirror from the center line. I will select center line. Okay, here you are able to see that it is already I got a mirror. Okay, now let's come to the upper, where I will draw the profile of teeth. For drawing profile, I will select line. I will sketch a line on the center line. Okay, let me take line. Okay, here select, I will draw a point. Now let us draw where it coincide with the circumference of the circle, of the bigger circle. Here, now let us select this, select and give a dimension. Here we'll give it 1.5. Okay, Now with again we're selecting a smart dimension and putting giving a profile dimension of this. Here we'll give it about 2.5. 2.5. Great. Okay, and we'll provide a height uh, of the teeth, and not height, it will, it is, if you have read circle, you have gear profile will give a will give a height simply. For now I will let you know what does it mean. Okay, select, go to mirror again, you have to mirror, you have to use that command again, and here, okay, now you are able to see that we have obtained profile, but the height is little small of the teeth, so I think I have to change it. Okay, I will change it to 5. Okay, I think it is good. Yes, it can be good. Will increase little bit, 3 too. Okay, hopefully it is okay, it's fine. Now we'll go to mirror entities. We'll select lines and we have to mirror about the center line. Okay, select. Now let us go to the circular pattern. So for circular pattern you have to select this what you want to make. Here you have selected 3. Okay, now you have to select how many of circle are you able to. I will make it 6, 3. Okay, okay. Now I think 29 will be okay. I think 29 will be okay, but make it 30. Little bit. I would think this will not look nice because I haven't made any calculation about the gear right now. I'm just randomly drawing it. That's why I have to find which will. Okay, let us make it 30 teeth. All right. Uh, Dimension angular spacing will be there. Okay, now let us come out from this. Sorry, we have left something to trim it. One of the important command of SolidWorks, we generally use it for trim. Go to trim. Here let me show you, there is a trim entity on extended trim. We will select trim entities, the first option we have here. So we'll go deleting one by one. It will take a lot of time. Okay, it will take a lot of time to make it, so I will skip this all, and here we'll skip, and finally I am done with this. So I will come to the smaller circle, directly jump to the smaller circle and delete all this. For the that is a key space where, okay, now here it is anything left, we have done with trim. Okay, here we have to delete with, delete it, yes. delete it. Okay, basic thing we have. Now use a feature over here, exclude. We'll make it 20 mm. Okay, here you got our gear. Are you able to see it? Let us change it. Its appearance, drag it. Okay, this is our gear with key where we can fit it a shaft. Hope you like, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Maybe put some comments where I will be able to know that where I have to improve myself. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.